Hello guys, welcome back to TechViews. So guys, today we are having the MI basic earphones, so let's unbox them.
So guys, now let's unbox this. The name of this earphones is MI basic earphones ultra deep bass. It comes with a mic and it says balanced sound, aluminium sound chambers, and it really feels lightweight. I bought it for $550 even though its MRP is $599. It comes in two colors, red and black. Now let's open the box. So these are the earphones. One second. And this is the mic and the pause play button. Feels tactile. Now let's remove this. The length of these earphones is 120 centimeters, that is 1.2 meters. We are also given two more sets of ear tips, which is bigger and smaller one. The medium one is given with the earphones itself. Earphones feels pretty good in hand, feels very long. One of the plus points here is that this headphone jack is gold plated and it's in a L shape. Now I'll check the sound quality of these earphones and talk to you about that. After listening to these earphones audio quality, I felt good for buying this because I bought it for $550 and it's just worth it for that price. If you say the audio quality was really good, but you will feel uncomfortable if you listen to the audio in 100% volume. You might get some distortion at level 100 of volume, but you can not notice it so easily. You should concentratedly listen to music to find distortion. Otherwise, there was no problem with these earphones. One thing was that if it was a flat cable, it would have been even better. If you are a Redmi or MI user, then you can simply change the audio sounding, means how it sounds, by going to settings, additional settings, headphones and audio effects. Here you can choose from various type of headphones and earphones, but the best one here is MI in-earphone. To use these options, you should turn on the MI sound enhancer, and the sound now you are listening is being recorded from the earphone itself.
So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, leave a like, share this video, and after subscribing our channel, do not forget to press the bell icon and select the all option. So we'll meet you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.